Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can use the Vacation Tracker Teams bot using only natural language. The Microsoft Teams bot has many uses, including requesting and approving time off, seeing who's away, and of course, accessing leave information. But for that last one, you're always at the mercy of using a slash command or navigating to a different tab. Well, thanks to the power of AI, you can now communicate directly with the Teams bot as if it was a coworker to get any and all information you may need. Before your team can start chatting away with the bot, you must first ensure that the feature is enabled for your organization. Any admin has the ability to activate it simply by logging into their own Vacation Tracker dashboard. From here, they'll need to navigate to the left-hand menu to the workspace settings and then click on features and permissions. Then you just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll notice this section labeled Enable AI Bot for user requests in natural language. By default, this is set to no because once you click on yes, you'll most likely need to accept some permissions for Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done so. And then you just need to scroll all the way down and click on save, and now it has been activated for your organization. So now the next time you open up your Microsoft Teams instance, whether it's the desktop app or the web app, you just simply need to find the Vacation Tracker bot that's attached to your organization and begin conversing with it when it comes to your leave questions. You can ask it something like, who's off in the next 3 weeks? And then the bot will begin to analyze the query and then of course provide you with a response without you having to navigate to any menus or any dashboard or any slash requests. But that's not all. The amount of questions you can ask are almost endless. And if ever you get stumped on where to start, you can even just ask the bot itself, what can you do? And then sure enough, it will take a few seconds and then provide you with a list of different types of information that you can access for your organization, whether that's requesting and editing leave, checking your leave balances, seeing who's off, or even checking your energy levels or accessing your company policies. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about the Vacation Tracker Teams bot and all its different functionalities, then be sure to check out our knowledge base, which contains tons of articles on this subject matter, as well as all things Vacation Tracker. And if you ever run into any trouble when setting up your AI bot inside of Microsoft Teams, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team either via chat or email.